Stop scrolling. This salad has more protein than a protein shake. And the secret ingredient isn't even Vietnamese. It's Japanese. Miso, sesame, and rice vinegar sneaking into classic GỏiGà. 30 grams of protein, 5 minutes of prep, and flavor that ruins boring salads forever. Let's start with the original. Poached chicken, pulled into long, tender strands. Napa cabbage for crunch. Carrots for sweetness and color. Then herbs and crushed peanuts pad. The best finishing crunch. Traditionally, it's dressed with nuoc cham. Bright, punchy, and never boring. My first proper GỏiGà was at a tiny sidewalk stall in Hanoi. It was the first time I understood a salad could be an event. I've been chasing that bowl ever since. Now here's the twist. We swap fish sauce for sesame miso dressing. Fish sauce is salty, fermented, deep. Miso does the same flavor job. Different passport, same role. Miso, rice vinegar, soy sauce, toasted sesame oil, sesame seeds. At first it looks a little chaotic. Then it turns smooth, nutty, glossy, and honestly, beautiful. And once it hits the salad, everything changes. I thought I'd hate it. I absolutely did not. This is where sesame does double duty. It coats every shred instead of just touching the surface. A thin vinaigrette just spritzes. This actually dresses, it just coats it perfectly. Look at that texture. It's so rich. It's the difference between seasoning a salad and actually wrapping it in flavor. Your hallinduxtuin were for protection. Now let's talk about the protein claim. 100 grams of chicken breast gives you around 31 grams of protein. Use a full poached breast and you go well beyond 30. This is not a sad salad. And the extras only boost it more. This is a real meal that actually keeps you full. Some people hear Vietnamese salad, Japanese dressing, and immediately want to fight about authenticity. But food has always traveled. Miso in this salad isn't betrayal. It's structure, flavor, and adaptation. If it tastes incredible and gets you cooking at home, it's doing its job. Here's why this fusion works. Same structure, different soul. Something salty and fermented. Something acidic. Something sweet. Something aromatic. That's the skeleton. Time for the final touch on our Japanese sesame miso dressing. Whisk until perfectly smooth and glossy. And now, the delicious moment. Pour, toss, done. For this recipe, use white shiro miso. It's mild, sweet, and the easiest place to start. And get toasted sesame oil, the dark bottle, not the neutral cooking oil. Once you have those two, this dressing becomes ridiculously easy. You can make it in about 60 seconds. Want to swap? Shrimp totally works. Tofu works too. But for me, the chicken version is still the hero. So you get Vietnamese freshness, Japanese umami, and over 30 grams of protein in one bowl. Eat well, drink good, and stay zesty.